More news coming in as far as the raids in the Kashmir Valley is concerned. Remember, we've been telling you about a series of raids that are going on in Shopian and the Kulgam area where residences are getting searched. Remember, the Maulvi who has been arrested is now singing. Essentially, the man, the Maulvi who is also involved in the Delhi conspiracy case, who seems to have been the person who radicalized the driver of the I-20 car, Dr. Omar. Now, as far as the raids are concerned, residences being searched include those of Dr. Hamid Fayaz, Nandigam, Muhammad Yusuf Falahi, Chitragam and others. And these raids are taking place after the Maulvi Irfan, said to have played a key role in radicalizing the doctor, was arrested from Shopian and since has provided details of his connections to Shopian. Take a look at this ground report first.
दक्षिण कश्मीर के शोपियां के मुख्तलिफ इलाकों में सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस द्वारा जो है सर्च अभियान चलाया जा रहा है, नाके एस्टेब्लिश किए जा चुके हैं और आपको बता दें कि अभी जो है घरों में सर्च ऑपरेशन चलाया जा रहा है। हम अभी नादिगाम इलाके में है जहां पे आपको बता दें कि डॉक्टर हमीद फयाज जो कि जमात इस्लामी संगठन बैरन संगठन है उनके चीफ रहा करते थे, उसके घर में जो है अभी सर्च अभियान चलाया जा रहा है। इसके साथ साथ जो OGW नेटवर्क्स जो है यहाँ पे यानी जो मुख्तलिफ टेरर आउटफिट्स के लोग हैं यहाँ पे, उनके घरों में भी जो है सर्च छापामार कार्रवाई चलाई जा रही है। दरअसल आपको बता दें कि दिल्ली ब्लास्टर्स के बाद जो है सिक्योरिटी हाई अलर्ट पे रखी गई है और आपको बता दें कि एक हाई अलर्ट साउंड किया जा चुका है पूरे जम्मू कश्मीर में और इसके साथ साथ जो है यहाँ पे सर्च चलाई जा रही है। जो नाके हैं वो एस्टेब्लिश किए जा रहे हैं, गाड़ियों को चेक किया जा रहा है, घरों को चेक किया जा रहा है। जो ऑलरेडी जो लिस्टेड आउटफिट्स है उनको जो यानी जो OGWs है उनके घरों में जो है छापामार कार्रवाई चलाई जा रही है। इनमें कई सारे लोग ऐसे हैं जो कि इंटरनेशनल इवेंट्स या यूं कहा जाएगा कि इंटरनेशनल एक्टिविटीज में शामिल है। फिलहाल आपको बता दें कि शोपियां में जो है पुलिस द्वारा ये कार्रवाइयां अंजाम दी जा रही है।
I'm going straight across to my colleague Mir, getting in more details on that story. Mir, you've been reporting on the massive crackdown that we're seeing in the valley as far as the search operations continue. The Maulvi in question is believed to have radicalized the group that carried out the attack, also has been picked up, is being questioned. Tell us a little more about the raids that are being carried out right now in Kulgam and Shopian.
Well, this is a massive crackdown as far as Jammu and Kashmir police is concerned. Last 6-7 days already there was a crackdown against the ex-OGW networks or people who were associated with subversive activities, stone pelting on any which way as far as anti-national activities are concerned. So they are being rescanned, their houses are being searched, and it's happening in Shopian, which is a district in South Kashmir, Kulgam, another district in South Kashmir, and more such raids also happening in Sopore, that's in North Kashmir. And these raids are going to continue through the day. Our sources in the Jammu and Kashmir police say that it's not just specific to this particular case. Of course, this is right now the center of all the action police and the other security agencies are taking. But generally, to ensure that there are no more such modules that are active in the Kashmir Valley, they're going for a general scan. And everyone who has a past, be it subversive activities, terror angle, he is being scanned, he's being searched, and it's being prioritized that this happens across valley. So you'll see intensification as far as this campaign is concerned. But yes, Maulvi Irfan is said to be the person who radicalized these people. He was at the center of this white-collar module of the Jaish, and he was also, while he was an imam of Srinagar Mosque, but he was also a paramedic in the GMC Srinagar. So it seems that while these doctors were students, he was in touch with them, and probably this was a long period of indoctrination and radicalization that he managed to do. So he is someone who is being questioned. He was arrested around 19th to 20th of October in a case of Jaish posters that had surfaced in Naugam area. And while initially police thought that it was just a localized minor case of terror propaganda, but as they started investigation, it turned out to be one of the biggest terror conspiracies with interstate linkages. And now we know how big it is. As every passing minute, new angles are coming up, new people being arrested, detained, and links not only in Kashmir, Faridabad. It seems that there could be links at other places as well. So it is a massive conspiracy, big investigation. But beyond that, police now focusing on whether there could be more such modules, and that's why people who have had association one way or the other with terror activity, subversive activity, are being scanned right now. Raids happening at massive level in many districts of Kashmir, especially South Kashmir, Shopian, Kulgam, Central Kashmir districts, North Kashmir. So it's a Pan Valley campaign in a way, action plan that the Jammu and Kashmir Jammu and Kashmir police has initiated post this big conspiracy and the blast that massive
That's
blast
right.
that happened in Delhi. Sneha?
Well, all the dots here are getting joined in together, isn't it, Mir? I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Getting in those details is Mir Fareed, my colleague from Srinagar.